Have you ever been caught in a loop of negative thoughts, the kind that drains your energy, shatters your confidence, and makes you feel stuck? You are not alone. According to a study from the National Science Foundation, the average person has over 60,000 thoughts a day. 80% of them are negative. The mind is everything. What you think, you become. Negative thoughts are powerful, but here's the good news: they do not have to control you. Today, we are diving into how to identify and leave behind those thoughts that make us weak. Let us explore strategies to take back control of your mind and strengthen your inner self. Let us walk through a step-by-step guide to breaking free from weakening thoughts and building a mindset that empowers you. The first step is recognizing the thoughts that hold you back. Often, these thoughts sound like, "I'm not smart enough, I always fail," or "what's the point?" These are called cognitive distortions, and they trick your mind into believing something that is not true. Start by paying attention to your inner dialogue. Whenever you notice a negative thought, write it down. Awareness is the first step toward change. Once you identify these thoughts, you can start to challenge them. Psychologists call this cognitive restructuring. It's about questioning whether your negative thoughts are accurate and replacing them with more realistic and positive ones. For example, if you think, "I'm terrible at public speaking," ask yourself, "Is this always true? Can I think of a time I did well?" Then reframe it to, "I'm improving at public speaking, and I will get better with practice." This shift may seem small, but it's incredibly powerful over time. Our environment plays a huge role in shaping our thoughts. If you constantly consume negative news, toxic social media, or surround yourself with pessimistic people, it's no surprise that your mindset takes a hit. Limit your exposure to these influences. Instead, seek out uplifting content, positive people, or books and podcasts that inspire you. Remember, what you feed your mind determines how strong it becomes. One of the most effective ways to break free from weakening thoughts is to focus on what's going right. Studies have shown that practicing gratitude not only reduces negative thinking but also boosts mental and emotional resilience. Take a moment each day to write down 3 things you're grateful for. They do not have to be big. Sometimes, it's the small joys, like a good cup of coffee or a kind word from a friend, that remind us of life's positive side. Affirmations are positive statements that help rewire your brain. By repeating them regularly, you start to shift your subconscious mind away from negativity. Find affirmations that resonate with you, such as "I am strong," "I am worthy," or "I am in control of my thoughts." Say them out loud every morning, and watch how your mindset begins to shift over time. Negative thoughts thrive in the space between overthinking and inaction. The best way to break the cycle: take action, no matter how small. For example, if you are stuck in the thought, "I will never get in shape," start by taking a 10-minute walk. Action creates momentum, and momentum silences doubt. Every small step counts, and it proves to your mind that you are stronger than you think. Lastly, be kind to yourself. Weakening thoughts often stem from being overly critical. Remember, you are human, and perfection is not the goal, progress is. Talk to yourself the way you would to a friend. Instead of saying, "I messed up," try saying, "I made a mistake, but I'm learning." Self-compassion is the foundation of a resilient and empowered mindset. Negative thoughts may feel powerful, but they do not define you. By recognizing and challenging them, surrounding yourself with positivity, practicing gratitude, and taking small, intentional actions, you can leave behind the thoughts that weaken you and embrace those that make you strong. Your thoughts shape your reality. Choose ones that lift you up, because you are capable of so much more than you know. Strengthen your mind. Empower your life.